here we go. What we got? Farang and Isakasa, and there's no radars at this tier, so I don't have to worry about that. And there's no aircraft carriers, so good. Now I'm playing domination, so we're going to go with... There's one destroyer in the north, or northwest. So we're going to go to the middle. It's likely on this map that the enemy are going to go AC.
Good luck, everyone.
You should always go caps next to each other, A, B, B, C.
Support that target.
Because otherwise you just split your force in half, and if an enemy pushes through the middle, then you all get flanked. Okay, let's have a look. 5.7, I got a 10-point captain on this ship, 6.4 torpedoes. Alright. I do have it there on the alternative battle face interface. Battle interface.
Attention.
But oh well.
Support that target.
Okay, now I want to come up here and turn around because I need to have an exit. Even when you're playing low tier, in fact low tier is the best place to start practicing high tier things such as where's my exit.
Attention, support that target. Set a smoke screen. Well done, Commander.
Okay, let's have a look, see if we can get this cap.
Requesting assistance.
So, because the A ticket has got red, there's an enemy destroyer in A, we know that. What have I got? I've got two ships coming in here. I've got a Caledon, naked. Remember to always bring camouflages, guys, and a Dugai Truon. Don't know why they're coming in, but they are. Enemy Caledon.
Set a smoke screen.
This is just low tier play.
I need intelligence
Pushing in. Cruisers pushing the cap when there's a destroyer that you don't need to, and they're both naked. They're both naked, so I'm going to say that these guys haven't had their
smoke generator
ships too long.
Engine boost activated.
There's a smoke for you boys. Okay, so I'm going to head off towards the sea cap.
Requesting assistance. Teammate, I need your support.
Okay, it's go undetected hopefully. And they're all running away from down there.
Get back.
You need to kill that Caledon, guys. And see, like, not even using the smoke. Right, so we're going to have to come down here. And we're going to have to fight off whatever destroyer is in the south. So when you play low tier especially, just think that you have to do
All stations.
the entire job.
Strategic target.
Because right now, if I don't come down here and spot,
Requesting assistance.
then there's no one down here. Nothing and no one. Okay, now I know it's 6.4, but I don't know where the destroyer is. There he is, Isakasa. Okay, he's naked too, so that's cool by me. I'm going to angle away because I don't want to fight the Phoenix. Okay, always keep your eye on the minimap, keep an eye on what the Phoenix is doing.
Engine boost deactivated.
Now undoubtedly, Isakaze has launched torpedoes, because that's what Japanese destroyers, that's what panic destroyers do, you just launch torps and panic. So let's keep our eyes on him. Okay, we've got a battleship out here as well. That went dark. Now if I have a look at our mini-map, our Phoenix is still on the same line. He's jockeying backwards and
All
forwards.
stations requesting fire support.
He's just getting too close. He's just sitting there. If I can get torpedoes away, I could have him. Okay,
Torpedoes to port.
He's a Kazi. Okay, come on. 6.4, 6.4. Retreating. Probably not going to hit him. Okay, let's get out of here. Except the Bellerophon will probably be watching me. Damn it. The Phoenix is going to be retreating all the way. So, what I'm going to do now, maybe, is just play delay. No, too short. That's annoying. Because the rest of my team, like in every other battle I have played today, just wants to die. Okay. And this is making me cranky as, you know, trying to do it on the road to Unicum. I got 3%. 3%. And I become considered a Unicum player.
The ship is on fire.
3% win rate, and I'll have a 60% win
Problem
rate.
solved, sir.
I'm just gonna run. Just go dark, not even gonna bother. But I have to get out of these Akasi's range, which is 5.7. I've played, actually, I've won one. This is my 5th battle today, and I won the first one with the Shiratsu, and I've lost all the rest. And this, right, screw this.
Smoke generator started.
This has been the entire day. It's as if, I know it's Friday afternoon, it's only 2 o'clock, 20 past 2. But it's incredible.
Smoke screen set.
The kind of play that's happening like this afternoon. This Phoenix guy's not bad. Gotta try and get him, Right, I'm gonna launch a bit behind him. Where's this destroyer?
I need help.
I should just be
Engine
running.
boost deactivated. I need intelligence data.
Okay, come on. You know you want to die as a castle. See, now I'm being forced out of the battle. Because I'm taking on all these guys, so this is going to be the worst breakdown battle ever. But anyway, the idea of what I'm doing right now is just run in delay. There's nothing else I can do.
Problem solved, sir.
So I just got to keep trying to move out of this Phoenix's way. Although he's got a horn on for me, I can tell you that. I've got to keep moving out of his way while trying to get rid of this other destroyer.
I need support. I need intelligence data.
Don't push out. where he is. But if he comes around, he can run his hydro. Let him run his hydro. I wish he'd go away. Dodge all those, thank you. Dodge. Whoa. Dodge. Eat my torps. Thank you. So predictive torps too, because he was going that way before. Now we've got him.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Someone had to swear at me. Or a swear, full stop. Okay, now I'm going to turn around. I can see there's one battleship up on the A line. There's one battleship there that's on the J line, or was spotted on the J line. The last destroyers were spotted on the D line and the H line. So I have 6.4 kilometer torpedoes, 5.7 detection. It's not much leeway, but it's more than enough. Okay, so now I know where the other destroyer is. He's in B. Okay, so we don't want our team to push out, but they're going to anyway. So he's still running in a straight line, so I'm just going to torp out this way. Not expecting him to move. It is low tier. So the frail rang is in there. The frail rang just got killed, but yep, there's the Isakasi. Okay. So how much did he move? Is he moving? Probably not. We need to get in there and help the G101. The more ships on the Isakasi, the better. One. Only one. Okay, that's cool.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
So he's flooding now. Because there's a battleship spotting for me, I'm going to open fire.
On the target.
Smoke up and open fire. Let's see if we can get a fire. Aim a bit high so you hit that superstructure. Even shatters will cause fires. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, he's dead anyway. Not for me. Well done. Okay, now the Bellerophon. Now we're in the smoke already, so let's just start firing. Make sure you always move around the smoke. Low tier, high tier, you never know who's going to be in the game against you. You might have someone who's rank 1 all the time in a Hurricane division coming down to rank 4, tier 4, because they want to test out a new ship. Or they're starting to grind a new line. A lot of players who are high tier players who start to grind new lines will use free XP. But I don't like to. I like to come down and actually have a go at the ship, see what everyone's playing. Okay, smoke's starting to dissipate. So time to move.
Good luck, everyone.
And although it didn't look like it, it became a good game in the end. I don't know how we managed to win that. So he's distracted, so I'm going to keep firing, not doing much damage, but there we go. So, a win. But so many people, it's just about knowing your job. Just about knowing your job. Do your job in the game, and you won't have too many troubles. If 12 players on the team do their job, you will come out with a win. It's like my what is my role videos explain, what you need to do, and wow, that's World of Warships though, isn't it? Frustrating. Oh, it's good that I got another win today and finished up near the top. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.